Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to make your LinkedIn profile private using the LinkedIn app on your phone. This is very important if you want to control who can see your professional information and keep your profile more secure. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then scroll down and select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, find the Visibility section and tap on it to open more options. After that, tap on Edit your public profile. Then, find the toggle for Profile Public Visibility and switch it off. Finally, your LinkedIn profile will no longer be visible to people who are not connected with you, giving you full control over your privacy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.